Are we out of a lighter? No, we're not. You got that little miniature one. What color is it? Guess I want to add it to my stack.
Purple.
It's purple. I have a pink. Do you want to trade the pink for...
It's actually white, like how I like my women.
It's just me on the weekend.
I pick and pick my women. Like white lighters. Even though they don't last for long.
Did that make sense to any of us, or just to the personalities in
Just
your
the
head?
personalities in
all
my
my
head.
personalities are comic geniuses, like Chris Rock and Eddie Murphy and Red Fox and Mom Smedley. And you have who? Did you throw it on me?
No,
You did! Get me!
Where?
I mean, I'm not upset, but why he's the only one glowing? Hello, ow! Hello, ow! Okay.
He don't want to hit my finger.
Boy, you saved him from the fly trap. It's Chazz and Mimi with you, and we are
Where'd he go? Oh, he's jumping.
Freedom is what he's saying. We're with you on the weekend. And we are saving lightning bugs off of... Wait.